It is so good to meet you. If you wouldn't mind introducing yourself to everyone.
You guys, no, sorry. I am Rachel Adkins, and I am the 2023 Lazy Boy Mom of Orlando.
Okay, Rachel, so can you describe your personal design style to us?
So I love sorry, I'm nervous, guys. Okay, I would say my personal design style is clean, functional, and durable. As a mom of 3 boys, I have to think of durability and functionality first and foremost, because we all love style, but at the end of the day, with those 3 boys, it has to be about functionality and durability, and then I love for everything to be clean. I would say a hidden talent that you guys might not know about is the fact that if there was a problem, mom can solve it. I actually have a shirt that my husband gave me, and for all of you Vanilla Ice fans, you will appreciate this, because if there was a problem, I'll solve it. But in addition to that, I would say one of my hidden talents is that I can wiggle my ears.
Can you show us?
I'm glad you asked. Okay, here we go.
Wow. Okay.
Is it working?
It did. I saw it.
Perfect. Is it? It's not working.
It's moving. I see it. I don't know if it's because
Now my ears are really wiggly all of a sudden. It's okay. So if the zombie apocalypse were coming, the first 3 people that would come to mind to be on my team would definitely be Chris Hemsworth, for obvious reasons. And then I would say Will Smith, because didn't he star in a movie that was kind of like that? So I think he's pretty capable. And then my last choice would be Kiefer Sutherland. I'm a huge 24 fan. That might be dating me, but I loved that series, and so I also feel like he's pretty capable of getting us out of anything. I'm Rachel Adkins, and I have already forgotten what you said, so here we go. I'm Rachel Adkins, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here at Lazy Boy of Orlando all of 2023.